news, what's the news? Bobby Bow shall be there with your long barreled gun of the sea. Say what wind from the south brings a messenger here with the hem of the dawn for the free. Goodly news, Dubai bring you to forth. Goodly news, will you hear, Baggy man? For the boys march at morn from the south to the north, led by Kelly, the boy from Killan. Tell me who is that giant with the gold curling hair? He'll ride at the head of your band. 7 feet is his height, with some inches to spare, and he looks like a king in command. Oh, me boys, that's the pride of our boss, Shelmalier, Munster greatest of heroes a man. Fling your beavers aloft and give 3 ringing cheers for John Kelly, the boy from Killan. Said by the ladies that wave, and all Wexford stripped naked hung high on a cross, with our heart pierced by traitors and knaves. Glory, oh, to the bold men who died for the cause of long downtrodden man. Glory, oh, to Mount Leinster's own darling and pride, Dr. Kelly, the boy from Killan.